Is about to go jet skiing. Manali just did her first jet skiing. Manali, what was your experience?
I'll never do that again. The jet ski was half outside.
It was about to
and
flip,
half,
yeah.
Yeah, it was almost about to flip. The most amazing experience ever.
Now for the last couple days, we are staying at a presidential suite.
It's the most beautiful thing I have ever seen in my life.
From the comfort of your balcony, not the balcony, comfort of your bathroom. Yeah, this is a heart. It's a heart, light hooked up in the sand in a heart shape. It is really hot. Hello guys.
Never seen anything more beautiful than the presidential suite where we stayed.
Okay guys, so as we said, me and Manali, we just came in here. We just came in here to do some water sports activities. Right in the resort. These are some of the prices and some of the options you can try when you're here. Mono skiing, that is a price. I don't know if you can see it. But 10 minutes is $30. These are 30 US dollars. Mono skiing. There is your knee board where you just put your knees on the skate and then you just do it. There's your wakeboard. Same price. That's your water skiing, which we all know. Again, the same price. They have flyboard here as well. The price for that is different. 30 minutes lessons for $185. Okay, they have an adventure trip to shipwreck, where they have a shipwreck here, and they take you there and they kind of take you down underwater to the shipwreck, and the price is $289 per person. They have the snorkeling safari, which is
What name do you put?
Maavi. $49 per person. And these are some of the other activities. We are doing, I think, this activity. The jet ski just drags it. I don't even know what you call that. The price for that is 15 minutes, $30. That's what we're doing. And then of course the last one is what Manali is doing. I've done this many times, so Manali will do it. We're doing 15 minutes and that's $50. So yeah, these are the prices. Manali is all set to go.
Yay, I'm super excited.
He is about to go jet skiing.
Whoa, why did you do it with my phone?
She's about to go jet skiing.
Woo!
So Manali just did her first jet skiing. Manali, what was your experience?
I'll never do that again because my heart was in my hand and I almost came back from death. But the most amazing experience ever. I mean, you should try it. It's like we did zip lining, paragliding, then sky cycling. Nothing comes even 1% close to that jet ski. Oh my god! I'll never do it again. Too much literally I was scared to death. But it was too much fun. It was like excessive fun. Amazing.
So basically what she's talking about is the individual who took a jet ski, the actual instructor, he basically went in circles. He's like,
Yeah.
you guys might think that, oh, it was just a regular jet ski.
It was not a regular jet ski.
What's so dangerous what's so dangerous about it? He basically went in circles. It was like one of those like crazy, like went in turns, like literally 360-degree turns in like 2 seconds. So he was taking really sharp turns at really, really high speed.
At one point I was literally in water, like my entire this right arm was in water because he completely bended over, and he was also half in water. So the jet ski was half outside.
It was about to
water and
flip,
half-
yeah.
yeah, it was almost about to flip.
So it was like, yeah, like, it was like one of those crazy maneuvering jet skiing where they're just like turning, like hardcore turning. So that's what she's implying, that it was crazy. But yeah, she had a lot of fun.
Yeah, it's like the best experience ever. Best, like
Now-
out of the world experience.
Yeah, so now we're
Like
just.
I experienced Himalayas, now out of the world experience in ocean, Indian Ocean.
Hey, there's a gym here. Look at that. Fitness center. This is a gym. Sun Siam gym. Very. Looks like it's quite a bit. Some basic stuff. Not like people come here to work out. Now we're about to head over to the Nautilus bar, which is the one. Yeah, okay. Which is the one bar they have here in the Sun Siam Resort, the island. So we're just gonna head over to the resort. I mean, to the bar, and then they have a nice beach over there. So we're just gonna go for a swim on the beach and just chill out there. That's pretty much the plan for the evening. Stepping into the ocean for a quick swim. It is 5:15 p.m. The sun is about to set shortly in about half an hour.
Too much sun.
It is really hot.
Yeah, but it's very beautiful. It's amazing.
Hey guys, so we stayed at 435, which is the one over there. The suite I showed you earlier. We stayed there for 3 days. Now for the last couple days, we are staying at a presidential suite. They upgraded this for our anniversary. Today's our anniversary, December 11th. So they basically give us a complimentary upgrade to a presidential suite, which I requested earlier when I was booking it, but I didn't expect them to give me a presidential suite. So this room, this is a double the size of these villas. Look at that. Those are the
Triple the size.
those are the villas that we were living in. This villa is like a mansion, and this is the only villa they have like this. It's a president. They only have one presidential suite, and they gave it to us. This is a corner villa, so there's nothing that we will see on the left or the right because this is the last villa. So let's go show you the villa. This room is 421.
Look at this. It's the most beautiful thing I have ever seen in my life. Like this is my anniversary present from my hubby, and he has booked a presidential suite, the most expensive and the luxury at its peak. Like there can be nothing more beautiful than this.
Yeah, the guys mentioned that this presidential suite is usually the owner of Sun Siam stays here. Well, only when he's here in Maldives. But apart from that, yeah, it's incredibly expensive. So that's why they, not many people live here unless, of course.
And look at the view. Like you're right on the ocean. There's no one on your left, no one on your
it's
right.
complete privacy, total privacy. There's nobody here. There's no left. Nobody on the left. There's nobody on the right. It's literally just
And I
you
can
by
just
yourself.
chill here all day. I just don't need to go.
But we'll get to there. So anyway, we'll just show you the entire mansion over here. So this is a living room. Big TV. This is the entrance. As soon as you take a left here, there is your fridge. You got washing machine, sink. Got a little kitchen area over here.
This is my house. Show me. This is my house.
This is your house.
This is my house. I love you, hubby.
And let's go back into the second bedroom, which I think me and Manali will stay, which is this. This is the second bedroom. Again, very similar concept to the other bedroom. They have the door that goes straight out to the deck. There's many ways to come out of the deck. There is, two ways obviously from both the bedrooms, and there is one right from the living room as well. There's a way to come out as well. So there's 3 or 4 different ways to come out.
Wow.
Okay, once you come out to the deck, you got a couple lounge chairs, and then you got that infinity pool over here.
This is so pretty.
You got a nice, comfy bed. So the other room had the overwater hammock. This one doesn't have an overwater hammock. They have instead this nice, comfy bed right on the deck. Right.
So nice.
And then again, the similar concept as the last one. I think every Maldives Watervilla has this. You come down the stairs to another part of the deck where they have a couple of lounge chairs as well. You can chill here as well. And then you got the step ladders, which takes you right into the ocean. You can literally go for a swim right from the comfort of your own villa. Right into the corals. I'm gonna come back up again and give you one last view of our beautiful deck. I'm actually shocked that we got this villa. It's like luxury at its best. Nadi's just enjoying life right now.
This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Luxury at its peak. Like, I'm loving it. Like, there can be nothing more beautiful than this. Honestly, this is the best anniversary gift ever. It is so beautiful.
So yeah, I would highly recommend if you're coming in with family, like if it's, you know, the husband, wife, two of you guys, you got a couple kids, or you want to bring in your parents. If it's 4 or 5 people, I think this presidential suite will just fit perfectly fine.
Now here comes
This is a
the
living
guest.
room where you got the nice little couches, you got the big TV.
Gold plating, which is very unique.
Yeah, it's a gold-plated outlet switch.
Like,
which is
if
pretty
I
unique.
want to ever build a house, I would want to build my house like this.
Okay, so this is the first bedroom, which is, I'm
Wow.
assuming, is going to be the guest bedroom. If you had brought your kids, your parents, grandparents, whatever, they will stay here.
It doesn't matter. I mean,
Yeah.
both the bedrooms.
Both the bedrooms are
same,
similar.
right?
Yeah, they're very similar. They all have TVs. This one also has a
It
TV.
doesn't matter which one you take.
Again, it overlooks the deck. And then they have the attached bathroom over here.
No, this is the dressing room.
This is a dressing room. Yeah, they got a closet over here.
Wow.
And they have a door which again comes out of the deck. So literally, if you're going out to the ocean to swim and your feet is all sandy, you don't have to go in through the bedroom and get your room dirty. You can literally
Look at the bathroom.
and this is a bathroom. You got the toilet, the 2 sink.
You literally sit on the toilet and watch the ocean.
You got a jacuzzi. You got a standing shower. And literally, there's windows
You can even jump
everywhere.
off in the ocean.
There's windows everywhere, like, and you can open the windows too, so you can feel the ocean breeze, and you can jump out if you want. You can go for a swim. You can literally just from the comfort of your balcony. I mean, sorry, not the balcony, comfort of your bathroom. You can jump out, and look, there's fishes there. Look at those black fishes. Do you see them?
Every day the level of beauty is just increasing. Wow.
What is the level of surprise?
So romantic. I love it.
Under the stars dinner
Under
on the beach.
stars.
On the beach.
This is so beautiful. And look at it. This feels like I'm in heaven. This is
Ja.
Thank you, baby. So much you've planned for me. Wow. Love it. This is heaven. So beautiful. There's nothing can be more romantic than this, right? It's my heart. Can you see it?
Yeah, I know this is hard. Oh yeah, this is hard.
Oh my God,
That's right. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
all around.
Yeah, this is a heart. It's a heart light hooked up in the sand in a heart shape.
and there's the tables and chairs in the middle of it.
So pretty. 4 years.
4 year. Thank you.
Wow. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome. Go have a seat. Hello. Thank you, Ranjit. Yeah, I'll be coming over there after this. I'll be coming over. Get me a mint ready. They gave us a complimentary rose petal bubble bath for our anniversary.
Just say that this is the most luxurious villa in Maldives.
Surprise done by the Sun Siam Resort. We told them that it's our anniversary, so we came for breakfast, morning breakfast at the Aqua, and they gave us a surprise. So.
Thank you, Dilshad, for this beautiful surprise.
And just like a surprise was for you, I hope.
It's very beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Happy anniversary,
Happy anniversary. Manali's doing scuba diving.
I'm super nervous.
Headed to the ocean. One big step. There you go.
It's the biggest reef shark I've seen so far.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe and follow us for more adventures.
And we look forward to bringing you more content, so please share the love.
Thank you, Xplore with Maavi.